Hello students, good afternoon. Today I am going to continue the English, that is English for 8th standard. Sir C.V. Raman for 8th standard. This is the continuation part of Sir C.V. Raman. In the previous video, I already explained some regarding Sir C.V. Raman. Here some words came in the paras, that is the dream child, fish out of the water. What is this dream child or fish out of the water? It comes under the grammar, that is these are some grammatical points, that is dream child. This is called as dream child or fish out of water. These are called as idiomatic expression. Idiomatic expression in Kannada, it is called as ನುಡಿಗಟ್ಟುಗಳು. ನುಡಿಗಟ್ಟುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಅಂತ idiomatic expressions ಅಂತ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ dream child, what do you mean by dream child? As a child he is having the dream to become a scientist, that is dream child. ಕನಸಿನ ಕೂಸು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. And fish out of water, I already explained in the previous video itself. Fish out of water means a person is not very well in some work, or he is having suffocation by doing which is not interesting. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ತಮಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದಂತ ಮೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ಗಿಡವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಒದ್ದಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಹಾಗೆ ರಾಮನ್ ರವರು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗದ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಈ idiomatic expression fish out of the water ಅಂತ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. And again some words that are called as phrasal verbs. What is this phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are the combination of verbs and the preposition. This phrasal words are the combination of verbs and preposition. ವರ್ಬ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತು preposition ನ combination ಗೆ phrasal verbs ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. These are the phrasal verbs that comes in this chapter that already did, that is give up, broken down, now and then, made of. These are the phrasal words. Okay, let us continue what is there in the next para. Okay, let us continue now. In the fourth para, even as a deputy accountant general, Raman mixed with the scientists and took interest in science. Even as a deputy accountant general, even though he has got the higher post, Raman mixed with the scientists. What do you mean by mixing? He met the scientists. Mixed means not mixing up, that is he is meeting with the scientists. That is the meaning here, meeting with the scientists, because he is having the zeal of science. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಅಪಾರವಾದಂತಹ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು ಅವರು ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. One day while returning from his office, he saw a banner outside a building on which was printed the Indian Association of Scientists. What is there on the banner? The Indian Association of Scientists. What is that banner? What is that banner means? Banner is a square or rectangular piece of cloth or else a plastic. There some words are written, that is called as the banner. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ banner ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ? It has been printed the Indian Association of Scientists. At the sight of that banner, Raman got off. See the phrasal word got off. This is also got off. Got off means, what is mean got off? He got off the moving train and went to meet the scientists who had gathered in that building. At the sight means nota drushti, that banner, a banner na nodida takshana Raman got off means get out from the train, moving train. Why? Because he is having that much of interest towards the science, and went to meet the scientists who had gathered in that building. ಆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ನೇ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಜಿಗಿದ್ರಂತೆ. Some time later, when he was in Rangoon, he learned that an institution had bought a piece of modern scientific apparatus. Bought means ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಏನನ್ನ ಇನ್ ರಂಗೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ apparatus. Here piece means not chindi, ಚಿಕ್ಕ piece ಅಲ್ಲ. Piece means an apparatus, the parts of the apparatus. They took the scientific apparatus. He hurriedly put on his clothes and went to have a look at it. He put on, see, put on. Put on is also a phrasal verb. Put on his clothes. Put on his clothes means wearing his clothes. He wear the clothes and went to have a look at the apparatus. Such was the interest he had in the science. It is the interest having this Raman having towards the science, that much of zeal or passionating regarding the science subject. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅತೀವವಾದಂತ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇದರಿಂದಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Okay, let us move on for the fifth para. Here in 1911, Raman was appointed as a special accountant general for the post and telegraphs in Calcutta. What? In 1911, Raman appointed a special accountant general. It is also an higher post. For which? That is for the post and telegraph, where he was working there in Calcutta. But when he was offered the post of professor at Calcutta University, he jumped at that and offered and accepted the post gladly. Means here, but when he was offered the post of professor, as a professor at Calcutta University li ನೀನು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂದಾಗ ಈ jumped up means ದುಮ್ಕೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಗ್ಲಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ, ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಂತೆ. After working at Calcutta University for 15 years, how many years he worked at Calcutta? For 15 years. He became the director of Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore. Where is Indian Institute of Science, children? It is in Bangalore. Indian Institute of Science, IISC ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ. IISC means Indian Institute of Science. It is called as IISC. Where is it? It is in Bangalore. And the Raman Research Institute was started in 1948. Raman started his research in 1948, at the year of 1948, and Raman resigned his post at Indian Institute of Science and became the director of Research Institute. And here he conducted his research in physics until his death. ಅವರು ಸಾಯುವವರೆಗೆ ಅವರು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅತೀವವಾದಂತ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂತೆ. Okay, I think you understand where he appointed, how he left the job, and where did he join. I think you understand, children. Let us move on for the sixth para. Raman was a great scientist. Throughout his life, he was intensely attached to science. Intensely attached to science means that much of more interest he is having towards the science. For the sake of science, he gave up the highly paid post of special accountant general and accepted a professorship at Calcutta University. Highly paid post ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಂಬಳ, ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಬಳ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಅಂತ, ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂಬಳ, ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮೊತ್ತದ ಸಂಬಳವನ್ನ ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ಜಾಬ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. He would forgot all about the food and rest while he was at work. He is not interested doing food or taking food and sleep also. ಅವರು ನಿದ್ದೆ, ಊಟ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ತ್ಯಜಿಸಿ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನ ಮುಡುಪಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಂತೆ. And his wife had often to tell him at his breakfast or coffee was getting cold. He is not interested or he is not looking if her wife kept the food or breakfast near him. ಅವರ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲೇ ಅವರು ಫುಡ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಬಂದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸಿ ಆಫನ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗೆ ಬಂದು ರೀ ನೀವು ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋವರೆಗೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕನೇ ಇರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಂತೆ. ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. Like all the great scientists, Raman had a lot of curiosity. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳ ಥರ ರಾಮನ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅತೀವವಾದಂಥ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ. Earlier in his life, while on a voyage to Europe. What do you mean by voyage? V-O-Y-A-G-E, voyage ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮುದ್ರಯಾನ. ಸಮುದ್ರಯಾನಕ್ಕೆ voyage ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. It is the traveling in the sea is called as the voyage. Voyage to the Europe, he saw the wonderful blue of Mediterranean Sea. Which is that sea, children? It is blue of Mediterranean Sea. This led to his work on the loss of light scattering in liquid. ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಆ ನೀಲಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಮೆಡಿಟರೇನಿಯನ್ ಸೀನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಟರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಚಿಂತೆ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಮೂಡಿಸ್ತಂತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಂಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರಿ ಆಫ್ ರಾಮನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ರಾಮನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಂಡ್ he was awarded the Nobel Prize for this in 1930. When he got this Nobel Prize, Raman got Nobel Prize in 1930. This Nobel Prize, it is the most awarded honorful prize. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೊಬೆಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನ ಇವರು ರಾಮನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗಾಗಿ ಪಡೆದ್ರು. ಏನೇನ್ ಪಡೆದ್ರು ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ರಾಮನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಇವರು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನ ಪಡೆದ್ರು, ನೊಬೆಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನ ಪಡೆದ್ರು. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆದ್ರು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. I'll do in the next class. What we want to do is take the textbook, underline the difficult words and search the meanings, Kannada meaning, write down 5 times each in your homework. Okay children, let us see what happens in the next paragraph. Thank you.